Log into AWS Management Console and browse through IAM Service. Click on Roles. Scroll down. As discussed, IAM roles are attached with IAM policies, and these roles will be granting the access from one AWS service to other AWS service. To create a IAM role, click on Create Role. As first step, we need to choose Trusted Entity, stating that the IAM role will be used by which AWS service. IAM role can be used by AWS service within the same account. The IAM role can be mapped to a different AWS account services as well. Let's have a scenario that the EC2 instances would require the access to the S3 buckets in order to download or upload the objects. Hence, I need to create a IAM role. The IAM role should be attached to the EC2 instances. Hence, select EC2 as the trusted entity and click on Next. Then we need to choose the IAM policy to be attached to the IAM role. As discussed, you can choose the IAM policies from the AWS managed list, or even it is possible to create a new custom IAM policy and can use the custom policy to be attached to the IAM role. As per the scenario, let me search for Amazon S3 full access policy and go for Next. You can provide IAM tags if required. Click on Next. Specify the role name. Once role name is defined, click on Create Role. Now you can see that IAM role is successfully created. To see more details about IAM role, click on IAM role. It is showing that the IAM role is currently associated with Amazon S3 full access IAM policy. And when you click on Trust Relationships, it is showing that this IAM role is trusted for EC2 service. This means that this IAM role can be attached to the EC2 instances, and those EC2 instances will be getting the access to the S3 services. Once the role is created and attached to the IAM policies and the trust relationships, you can go back to the EC2 dashboard to attach the IAM role to the EC2 instances. Click on Running Instances. There is one instance which is in running state in this specified region. Select the instance, go to Actions, click on Instance Settings, click on Attach Replace IAM Role, select the IAM role from the drop-down. You can see that the role which you have created is showing in the drop-down. Select the IAM role and click on Apply. Click on Close. Now IAM role is being associated for this EC2 instance. That means from the EC2 instance, it is possible to connect to the S3 services and can upload or download objects from the S3 buckets. This is explaining how to create IAM role and how to attach IAM policies to the IAM role and provide trust relationships. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture, I will show you IAM role use cases by implementing S3 cross-region replication. Thank you.